Is your washing machine acting up? Not spinning, draining, or leaking? At Urban Service Company, we provide same-day repair service across Bangalore. Common issues include not spinning due to motor or belt problems, draining issues from a faulty pump, and leaks from the inlet valve. We only use genuine spare parts like belts, pumps, and PCB boards, all backed by a service warranty. Watch as our technician replaces a faulty drain pump, ensuring your machine runs smoothly again. We cover areas like JP Nagar, Whitefield, and Nagar with same-day service. Call Urban Service Company at 909-349-170 or book online for fast, reliable appliance repair.